Hello everyone! Welcome back to another exciting video. I'm Ikra, and today we are going to talk about a very important topic that many of you care about: how to stay motivated and never give up on your journey to speak English fluently.
Hi friends, I'm Altaf. This is your favorite channel, English with Altaf. In today's video, we will share ideas, tips, and real conversation to help you stay focused and never stop learning until you speak English fluently. Let's begin this journey together.
Altaf, so many people start learning English but stop after some time. Why do you think that happens?
Ikra. I think the biggest reason is that people expect fast results. They want to speak fluently in a few weeks, but when they see slow progress, they feel frustrated and stop learning.
Yes, I agree. Many learners feel shy or scared when they make mistakes. But making mistakes is a part of learning. I always say, mistakes are proof that you're trying.
Exactly. You cannot learn without trying, and you cannot speak fluently unless you speak often. Fluency comes with time, practice, and patience. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent.
That's a great point, Altaf. Consistency is everything. If you study English for just 20 minutes every day, you will see progress. But if you study only once a week, it becomes very hard to improve.
Yes, and one more thing. Learners must enjoy the process. If you enjoy learning English, it doesn't feel like hard work. Watch movies, listen to music, read simple stories in English, do what makes you happy.
Very true. I also believe that learning English should not be boring. Try different methods. Some days listen to podcasts, other days speak with a friend, or watch a YouTube lesson like this one.
Let me tell you a short story. One of my students was very shy and did not know how to speak English. But she said, "I won't stop learning until I speak English fluently." And she kept learning every single day.
That's inspiring. What happened after that?
After 6 months, she was able to speak with confidence. She was not perfect, but she could express her thoughts. Her secret was simple. She never gave up.
That's the spirit. If you want to achieve something, you must believe in yourself. Tell yourself every day, I will learn, I will practice, and I will speak English fluently one day.
Yes, Ikra. That positive mindset is very important. Many learners say, "I can't do it," but we should say, "I will do it." That small change in words makes a big difference in your learning journey.
And also, don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Maybe your friend is faster, but that's okay. Just focus on your own progress.
Absolutely. Every step you take matters. Even if you learn just one new word a day, you are moving forward. Small steps every day create big changes in the long run.
Let's give our viewers a few practical tips to help them stay on track. Tip number 1, set a clear goal. For example, I want to be able to speak English with my friends in 6 months.
Tip number 2, make a simple study plan. Decide how much time you will give to English each day. It can be 10, 15, or 30 minutes, but do it daily.
Tip number 3, practice speaking as much as possible. You can speak to yourself in the mirror or talk with friends online. The more you speak, the better you become.
Tip number 4, listen to English every day. Use your phone to play English news, YouTube videos, or podcasts while walking or traveling.
Tip number 5. Write something in English every day. It can be a short diary entry, a few sentences, or even social media captions.
All these tips are simple but powerful. You don't need big tools, you just need strong commitment. Just keep reminding yourself, I won't stop learning until I speak English fluently.
And don't forget to celebrate your small wins. If you understand a new sentence, if someone understands your English, or if you learn 5 new words, that's a win.
Yes, Ikra. These small successes build your confidence, and confidence is the key to speaking English fluently. The more confident you feel, the more you speak, and the better you get.
Sometimes we feel lazy or tired. On such days, just do a little. Maybe read one English sentence or listen to a short audio. Don't stop completely.
That's right. Even on difficult days, try to stay connected to English. Don't break the habit. Make English a part of your daily life like brushing your teeth or eating food.
One of the best ways to stay motivated is to learn with others. Find a study partner or join an English group online. When you learn with friends, it becomes more fun and less stressful.
And you also feel supported. When you see others working hard, you feel inspired to work hard too. You are not alone in this journey.
Another great idea is to record your voice. Speak for 1 minute in English and record it. After 1 month, listen again. You will hear your progress.
That's a great tip. It helps you see how far you've come. And it also helps you find your mistakes and improve your pronunciation.
So, to all our viewers, please remember this. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to keep moving forward. Fluency is not a destination. It's a journey.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Say this with us. I won't stop learning until I speak English fluently.
Say it again. I won't stop learning until I speak English fluently. That's your promise to yourself.
Before we end this video, let's quickly review what we learned today.
We talked about the importance of not giving up and why it's okay to make mistakes while learning. We also shared tips like setting goals, making a daily plan, and staying consistent.
We reminded you to enjoy the learning process, practice speaking and listening daily, and surround yourself with English. Most importantly, we taught you to believe in yourself and never stop learning.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope it gave you motivation and useful ideas. Remember, this journey is yours. Keep moving forward.
This is English with Altaf, and we're here to support you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful lessons.
Until next time, stay strong and keep learning. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye and take care. See you in the next video.